Hey guys, I'm Morthadon, and we are back for Reincarnated as a Slime Season 2, Episode 8. So, last time we had the whole, the finale to the fight of Rim versus Hinata. We found out that Rim just kind of snuck away, didn't actually win, although he claimed victory, or at least Ranga claimed victory for him. And then we had him make it back to Tempest and get filled in with all the situation. He saw all the death and destruction that was caused, and he is luckily keeping a level head, even though he almost went off. But now we have him getting kind of caught up with everything, understanding why Falmouth and the Holy Knights are attacking. They're going to be coming back in a week with their forces to just further lay waste here. Basically said, like, surrender or, or die. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what happens from here, what happens in a week from now. Does Rim get backup that he needs in order to fend off Falmouth, or are they on their own, or what's going to happen? I'm not sure. So let's watch the episode and find out, shall we? Alrighty, guys, we are going to start here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now. Okay. Getting the full story. Okay, that's what I thought it was. I thought it had something to do with her heart, threatened her life, or whatnot, you know? Hmm. Hmm. He didn't start all of it, though, right? Unless he somehow manipulated Falmouth into this thinking. Maybe one of Clayman's pawns is one of the people that was sitting around that table when Falmouth decided to attack. Like with the king and all those higher-ups. On hold, okay. Better be some good-ass guards to be able to keep her in place. Yeah. She has he has a lot to think about right now. Okay. Alright. Visit the wounded. Public relations time. No, Rim definitely. It's not just to look good in front of his people. Rim is definitely very angry about how much destruction has been caused. Not even about like the town, but the death mainly. Like the town can be rebuilt, you know. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, yeah, made it. It's really not far away. Would have been depressing if I missed, but I have missed before, so it wouldn't be a first time. Man, I am very hungry. I can't wait to eat something after this. Probably gonna get a bowl of cereal. Alright, here we go, guys. Oh, was that, Hakuro? Oh. Damn. Wounds that healing potions won't fix. Rim gonna be able to do anything at all? Gluttony? Yeah. Nice. Cool. And then heal them right up? Cool. What's with all their faces? What happened? What happened? Why do they keep doing this? They did this last episode too. Jeez. So many dead. She's not dead, is she? Gobzo died? Oh, shit. So, one of the ones we know did die. Is she dead? Really? Wow. Oh, shit. Oh. Shion's actually dead? I can't believe it. Damn. Like, not to be mean, it sucks about Gobzo, right? He's been around since Gobta came into the story, right? But, like, Shion was such a big character, like, right hand to Rim so much. There's no, like, no tricks here, nothing. She's actually gone. Oh! Wait, what? Okay. Making another mask. Damn. Ugh. Great Sage, you're no help here. Damn, guys. Wow. Damn. Oh, these guys. They're from the Bloomend or whatever, right? Trying to revive the dead, damn. Okay. So that would bring communications back, right? Damn. I can't believe it. Oh, not a perfect match? Or it just can't contain his rage right now? Damn. Oh shit. Are they going back on it? Oh shit. Bringing the dead back to life? Oh shit. Maybe Shion isn't dead. Hmm. Alright. Damn. It does sound too good to be true, but... Alright. Oh, okay. So this is the barrier. Soe is looking into it. Reminds me of that thing you do with as a kid where you attach a string to a cup and then a cup on the other end. That's what those, like, threads he's using to remind me of that. Alright. Oh. She's a elf? Hmm. Jeez. Well, we do know a dragon, but... God damn. Jesus. She looks like Millum. In that shot. It's Millum. Holy shit. Damn. Holy shit. Jeez. Hmm. Oh, interesting. Hmm. Jeez. Pie. I was gonna say. Jeez. Become a demon lord. Hmm. Damn. Ah. Interesting. Huh. Okay. Is there... Oh, shit. Is there a way to become a demon lord without destroying an entire nation? I don't know if Rim wants to go slaughter tens of thousands of people. I need to go listen to that story again. I was so focused on looking at the pictures and seeing, like, oh, it looks like Millum! A third barrier. Damn, okay. Acquired the Demon Lord seed. Oh, was that from, yeah. Was it maybe from... Okay. Shit. Nourishment? Jeez. 10,000. Alright. You have to kill 10,000 people. Humans. 10,000? Is there 20,000? Okay. Kill half of them, become a demon lord, save Shion. Shit. I'm surprised that he's considering this. Killing 10,000 people? I know he wants to bring Shion back, but... It's not real, for sure. It's a fake her death, maybe? Hmm. I think Rim is like gluttonying the spell, the marionette spell that's like around her heart, possibly. Yeah. Artificial heart. Shit. Oh. Damn. Okay. Nice. Cool. We have another powerful ally, if anything. Yep. Alright, so we're going on a quest to save Shion and the rest. I don't know if it'll work, but... Aww. Poor Grucius. Huh. What? Yeah, leave it to me. Holy shit. Oh my god. I'm just gonna wipe him out. That is insane. Alright. Well, shit. That's some shit. Alright. How we're gonna deal with humans from now on. Interesting. Okay. Damn. Huh. I think I want to, after the credits, I want to go back and watch the fairy tale again. Because there was a small part of me that didn't fully... I didn't fully listen to the... I didn't fully listen to the fairy tale, like, read the subtitles, because I was too busy looking at the imagery and shit. They never actually said Milim, though, so Rim doesn't even know that. That's only something we know. It's interesting that they decided to tell the audience this. And not the characters. Excuse me. Well, I'm starting to understand why the outro is Milim, the dragon princess that became a demon lord, and Shion. Alright. That should be it. Probably no after credits. Alright, yep, that is it, guys, for episode 8. So, yeah, damn. Shion is dead for now, at least, but we have hope to bring her back. I still don't know if it's gonna... I don't know. Like, I feel like it's gonna work, right? Because I think it'd feel weird to introduce the idea of this and then just have it not work, you know? Especially if our main character is gonna have to slaughter 10,000 humans. Granted, they're all part of the army that is being aggressive and hostile to Rim's nation. It's not like Rim's just gonna go and slaughter innocent people, you know? But, you know, it's just the fact that, I guess, we see Rim try to make peace whenever he can, but obviously Rim is a killer, right? Like, there's no shying away from it. If you just think back to when the direwolves were attacking the goblins, Rim literally chopped off their leader's head, you know? And so, I mean, obviously he takes out a lot of people that are antagonistic and stuff like that. But, like, I feel like in another anime, we could see that the leadership is doing this, and it's not all the soldiers' fault, so they're just following orders, you know? And I could certainly see, like, keep the casualties to a minimum, we just need to take out the king and the higher-ups, and then we need to take control of Falmouth, you know? And the rest of the soldiers don't have to die. But instead, we're going the route of, I need to become a demon lord to revive these people, so I am gonna go and slaughter 10,000 of the 20,000 forces myself, you know? Now, does Rim have to do it by his own hand? Like, does Rim himself have to kill 10,000 people? Or can it be, like, a group effort? Like, as long as, like, he's around 10,000 people that die? Maybe? I'm not sure. But can we go back to the fairy tale? So they mention the fairy tale here, and then about to gluttony, all that. We have Soe doing his thing. Okay. Here we go, right from the beginning. I'll read it to you guys. Story time, guys. The story of a girl and a dragon. Yep. The girl was the daughter of a human and a dragon. Yep, okay, that's crazy. And she was so... Just because I need to know. Was the dragon a girl or a guy? And did they go into, like, a human form? Kind of like Rim's a slime that goes into a human form and bang the mom or the dad? Or did the human just bang a dragon? I don't know. Anyway. And she was raised as the dragon princess. One day, her father, a dragon... Okay, so her father was the dragon. That's what I thought it said. So, does that mean the mom just banged a dragon? So, it made a double of himself in the form of a baby dragon. Okay. It's not... Are we gonna find out later that this dragon... Let's finish the story first. And gave it to her as a companion. Because I know, like, the baby dragon died, but I think maybe the bigger dragon, the father, maybe died too. In an effort to take control over the dragon princess, the king killed the baby dragon. The girl went mad with pain, grief, and rage. With the power she had inherited from her father, she destroyed the king along with his entire nation, including tens of thousands of people. Then the girl transformed into a demon lord. Who are these? Is this like we see this fairy girl. Now, we met a fairy before, but she was tiny compared to this. Is this fairy potentially the one, like, the predecessor? Didn't they talk about, like, a predecessor fairy in the first season, and we met, like, the successor and stuff like that? And then, who's the guy with the long hair? Is that the father in a human form, maybe? And when she did, the baby dragon miraculously came back to life. Okay. But since it had lost its soul when it died, It came back as an evil monster with no will of its own. Okay. Alright. So, because part of me was thinking in this story, is it possible that her father is, Fudge. What is the name of friggin' the dragon from the beginning of the show? God damn it. I have the list of names. I wanted to remember. I can't remember. Why can't I remember? I'm gonna remember immediately, but... Veldora Tempest. There we go. God damn it. Veldora. Could Veldora be her father? I was thinking maybe Veldora could be the baby, but I guess the baby was a doppelganger kind of the father, right? Okay, so it came back as an evil monster with no will of its own that destroyed everything in its path. The Chaos Dragon. Now, when we were introduced to Veldora, did he call himself the Chaos Dragon? Is that Veldora? I didn't write anything else, right? No, I just wrote dragon inside of it. Damn. Crap. Oh, man. I feel like I recognize the Chaos Dragon. I think that might be Veldora. Interesting. But Veldora, like they said, no will of their own. Veldora seems to have a will. So I'm not sure. Could that be why Milim took a liking to Rim in the first place? Is because Milim could maybe sense Veldora inside of him? I don't know. Though it hurt her deeply, the girl sealed away her once beloved companion. Sealed away. This was the first thing she accomplished when becoming a demon lord. Huh. Okay. Interesting. So, I freaked out because it was Milim, but I wasn't even, like, contemplating the idea that Veldora could be the dragon. Because Veldora was sealed away, but weren't we told Veldora was sealed away by, like, by a hero, not a demon lord? So I'm curious about that, and how that works. But damn. I guess we're probably going to find more info later on, because for one, this is just a fairy tale, so who knows how much of the details are actually accurate, but they showed us Milim, but they didn't tell Rim about it, which makes me believe that eventually Rim is going to find out about this, you know? So, I guess someday we'll get more answers to that, but yeah, that's interesting. Interesting stuff to think about, you know? Possible, you know, Milim being this dragon princess, she was the first demon lord, and yeah, damn, okay, cool. I like the story. It was a cool fairy tale. But yeah, it was like becoming a demon lord miraculously revived the baby dragon. I wonder what it is about becoming a demon lord that allows for the ability to, like, bring things back from the dead, you know? Like, by Rim becoming a demon lord, right? Okay, like, bear with me here. If Rim becomes a demon lord and it does work and Shion gets revived, is it possible that when that is taking place, could Great Sage analyze and replicate what was done in order to, like the whatever kind of magic was being done that allows for these souls to return to their bodies and come back to life, you know? So would it be possible that in the future we could have, like, Rim just being able to resurrect people, you know? That'd be kind of crazy, right? But I don't know, maybe it will just be a one-time thing, you know? and it won't be able to work like that. But yeah, damn. Okay, so with that, we also had Mulan being saved. You know, she was so what happened is she had an artificial heart that was being used to spy on through Mulan, right? That's how he knew, like, about her lover and stuff like that, to threaten Yom and all that. That's how he knew all of those things. So Rim had to kill her for like 3 seconds or whatever in order to break the crystal, and also analyzed the fake heart that was in her and replicate it all within 3 seconds, and basically saved her. Now, that means her actual heart is still in possession by Clayman. So she's just never going to get her heart back. She's just stuck with this artificial heart, I guess? Or is her heart was the artificial heart the one that's being controlled by the marionette magic, and her real heart is just gone? Like, maybe he replaced her real heart with this marionette heart, you know, and then just threw her other heart away. Maybe there was no hope of ever getting that heart back, you know? But, I don't know. Either way, I mean, I guess as long as this one doesn't just give out prematurely, then she'll be fine, right? So, not a big deal. But yeah, so Rim's plan is to become a demon lord, kill 10,000 of the troops that are coming in here, and kill the king and all the higher-ups, and then make Yom the new king of Falmouth, and then have him establish trade routes with Rim and all that. Damn, that's a hell of a plan. If this works out, that's going to be pretty crazy, and Rim's influence is going to spread even further. Like, I don't know how big this world is and how many different nations we've already covered, but, like, Rim's, like, one step closer to global domination through relatively peaceful methods. Relatively peaceful, you know? Like, obviously, they're instigating this, so I feel like Falmouth definitely has it coming, you know? So, that's why I say relatively peaceful. But, yeah. Damn. That's some shit. And they're talking about how they're gonna handle humans from now on, so I wonder what that is. Like, probably amending the rules that he created, saying that, like, never attack humans, which was a good, like, blanket rule, but now that they have been given names, now that the monsters are a lot more, I feel like they're a lot more intelligent than they were before, they're more informed and stuff like that, we can have a conversation more about, like, what that actually means, because I wonder if, I guess that didn't stop Shion and them from fighting the Otherworlders, right? But, because I wonder if some of the monsters didn't fight because they were told not to attack humans. Like, they were never told that you can defend yourself if humans attack you, though, you know? Like, so maybe they just never fought back. And they, Yeah, I don't know. Or it would have happened regardless, this whole thing, but we're still going to amend the rules, potentially. But I wonder what Rim's idea is going to be. Is it going to be, like, self-defense? Like, we're going to try to be peaceful with the humans, but if they attack us, we fight back? Like, I wonder what Rim is going to say to amend how they handle humans from now on, you know? But it'll be interesting to see. But yeah, I can't believe that Shion is dead, at least for now, but I do have a feeling that she's going to be back. At least her. Maybe the rest of them, it won't work, you know? So maybe, like, it's a 3% chance for each individual person to be brought back when this happens, and maybe she'll be the one because she's, like, stronger, you know? But it'll be interesting to see if all of them get brought back. Part of me wishes that they did kill her, because That would have, like, I mean, I guess she is dead. They did kill her. But that there wasn't this, like, hope to bring her back. And we'll see how it turns out. Maybe it just fails. Maybe Rim kills 10,000 people, becomes a demon lord, which he didn't want to do initially, and it doesn't even work. And he doesn't even get to save Shion, you know? Maybe that's the dark twist to all this. But if she does get revived, part of me wishes she didn't, and like this whole thing wasn't a part of it, just mainly because this show has been like, it has its serious moments, but we have a crap ton of characters and pretty much none of them die except for what just happened here, but now there's hope to bring them back, you know? So I don't know, like, so part of me wishes there was that fear of people dying. Like, if this stuck, I'd be actually scared for a lot of other characters from now on, rather than just being like, they'll be fine, Rim will find a way, you know? Or like, they don't kill characters in this show, kind of thing. But we'll see. We just have to see how this goes. I don't want to prematurely judge the season, because the season isn't even over yet, so... Yeah. Great episode, though. I'm looking forward to seeing how Rim is going to wipe out 10,000 humans. I mean, I guess they are just humans. We have seen some strong humans, right? Like, obviously Hinata's just a human, but she's like an otherworlder. So Rim could probably wipe out, could probably make pretty quick work of 10,000 humans. So it'll be interesting and probably pretty brutal to just see Rim go on a killing spree, just slaughtering humans, you know, But yeah, I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued with the rules to change humans. I'm interested to see how the plan unfolds, and if it goes according to plan to like kill the king and make Yom the new king and stuff like that, and like how much backup will Rim get? Will the dwarf show up? Will Bloomith show up? I'm not sure, but Bloomond or Bloomith, whatever their place is called. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it, guys. This was a good episode. These last two were great episodes, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you did, because that is it from me here. If you're not already on my Patreon, check it out. I have if you're watching this on YouTube, that means that the rest of Season 2, even Part 2, is on my Patreon. So check that out. And I also have other Patreon exclusives on there, as well as early access for some of my other shows. So yeah, link is in the description of my Patreon, or it should be popping up on the screen, or you can go to patreon.com/Morthadon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching once again, and I'll see you in my future reactions. Bye-bye.